We've been up forever. When is Cowbot gonna get here?
You're so impatient, Sonic. Sometimes you gotta slow down and enjoy life. Here, have a roasted marshmallow.
Sticky, but good.
Really good.
I never get to do stuff like this with Orbot and Cubot. Marshmellows always gunk up their circuitry.
Yeah, that's the problem with having no real friends.
Yeah. Hey, you know who I hate? That Dave the intern. Am I right, huh?
You know, I never gave him that much thought.
Are there any more marshmallows?
Hey, Sonic, bro to bro. What's up with you and Amy?